How to change incoming call ringtone on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Phone App. Here click on this three dot icon and click on Settings. Now in Call Settings, scroll down and click on Call Alerts and Ringtone. After click on Call Alerts and Ringtone, so you will see click on Ringtone. So if you want to change incoming call ringtone, so you will see ringtone list is here. So if you want to change, after selecting, go back to home screen. So that's how you can change incoming call ringtone on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.